Hello everyone, thank you for joining. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to clean a paint sprayer. My name's Alec, please enjoy.
How's it going? I'm Alec. I'm going to show you guys how to clean a paint rig or a paint spraying machine. I just sprayed this ceiling here black, so I have my 5 gallon of paint that I just used. It's black. I have 2 gallons of water that I'm going to be cleaning the rig out of. And I have a 5 for dirty water that's going to go into it. So, first things first, turn on your rig. Whenever I turn on my rig, I always make sure the prime is on. So this button right here, that's down. So it's on right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put the pressure all the way down because I'm not ready to clean it yet. So first thing, I'm gonna put this into the clean water. I'm gonna leave the priming nozzle in the dirty 5 and leave it on prime. I'm gonna turn up the pressure a little bit. Once you see clean water coming out of this nozzle, you're good to go on the priming. So I'm going to turn it off of priming. So once you're done with the priming, I like to take out my tip, my spray tip. So before I start cleaning my gun, I'm going to push the trigger in so it doesn't shoot back at you. You want to make sure your trigger is pulled before you start cleaning it. I'm going to take it off of prime. And what I'm doing is I'm going to put the excess paint inside the paint bucket because there's going to be about a quart that's going to come out of the line. So I'm going to put the pressure up. You can see that paint's coming out right now. And once I see water starts coming out, I take the pressure off. Put it into my dirty 5, pull the trigger, and put the pressure up. And whenever you see clean water, put your tip back in the gun, because you got to clean these. If you leave them uncleaned, the paint will dry up and the tip will be hard to clean in the future, or be hard to use in the future. So it's still on pressure. I put it inside the dirty 5. Do a couple sprays, turn the tip around. And that's pretty much it. The rig is cleaned. So to relieve all the pressure, I like to keep the trigger pulled while I turn it on to prime, and you're done. Turn it off, keep that pressure on, keep that trigger on. And that's it. That's how I clean my paint rig. Appreciate you guys. Like and subscribe, it really helps the channel. We'll see you guys next time.
Thank you all for watching. It means the world to me. If you liked this video, please leave a comment, like the video, and hit me up with a subscription. And lastly, click the notification bell so you can see more videos like this. Have a good day.